Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, we're back at Krunker. Wow. And we're gonna try to do, we're just playing, I don't know what we're doing. No, wait, I'm confused. Wait, he killed me twice now? Okay. Whoa! How do you, okay, how do you get, how do you get those? Okay. He has a shotgun, so if I stay far, he won't be able to hit me. Right? Yay. Headshot. Guys, check out my last video. Oh, I hit that headshot. Check out my last video. Where I hit epic snipes. You guys should have seen that. It's not really at the beginning, it's more like in the middle to the end, but it was epic. So let's hit more. I didn't even switch guns. Okay. Where is everyone? Let's go. Okay, reload. I'm so dead. Yeah. I kind of want to try the crossbow again. It's not that good though. I don't like it. Okay. If you guys Krunker.io, if you guys want to play this, it's called Krunker.io. But if you guys are like new and you want a really strong weapon, just do the shotgun. It's one tap, and also it's close range though. It's one tap though, and it holds two bullets. The sniper, it's my favorite because it has the scope. I like scoped weapons. That one shot. This doesn't always one shot. Oh my god, you could get up there? Hey, where'd he go? Oh, you killed him. Why would you do that? Okay, guys, the secret area that I found out. Right here. He doesn't see me. No, I got to chase him. I suck at this. Okay, well. Do I want people to know that this is a secret area? Okay. Oh, got him. Okay. Victory. Okay. Look, the gravity is like different too. Okay, we could do little town. I'll see you guys. Okay, so we're at the little town. I'm gonna get 6 kills, at least 6. We have 4 minutes to get 6 kills. I have 1. Okay, I should go for 10 kills. Got him. Got him. I think that's 3 kills. This person right here. Oh, he has a sniper too. I suck. Where'd he go? A little health. Let's go. Aw. What was I supposed to do? Okay, so, he is right there. I missed my shot. Then I missed. Then I no scope. But he killed me before I do that, so I can't. What's my kill record? I recorded a video. It had my kill record. It didn't say that it was a kill record. Go watch those videos to try to find out. And then I could try beating it. She has like an animation on her face. That's pretty cool. Okay. I missed. I thought he didn't see me. Try just acting like I never saw him. No, that was my kill. He keeps seeing me. How does he like spawn? Oh yeah, because it says her name tag at the top. What the? No scope. Okay, that's his name. I'm the one that does no scopes. Okay, not tofu too. What? Somebody's gonna spawn behind me. I knew it. Okay, let's see how much kills we got. I think we still have 3. Doesn't say. It says at the end. I think we have 3. Okay, well, I'm the worst in this lobby. Tied with the worst. I'm still not the worst. How? Finally. Finally. Oh, this is where I sweat. Second I say that, I get killed. Well, I think I have 4 kills. TTV Go 69. I think it was here. No, it was the other house. I don't know. I think somebody was sniping from here. Yeah, it was him. Or it was the other one. I don't know. Got him. Got him. Headshot? How was that a headshot? I mean, I'll take it. How did he get behind me? Nobody was behind me. I think 5, 6 kills, I think. I got 6 kills, yeah. I hope. I got 9. Who had the most deaths? Oh, it was obviously me, okay. Who had the most kills? There was no score. Did I report him? Nah, I won't do that. Okay. Oh, I could camp the secret area again. We'll see you guys there. Okay, so, we're in the same area. Let's go find the secret area. Where's the secret area? There's the secret area. It should be right here. No, right there. Yeah, here's the secret area. No? I like this spot. No! Oh, I forgot. I have the same people. I'm gonna die so much. They probably already know about the secret area. Like, I bet somebody's already in there. How am I even gonna get there? I get 1 shot. Ugh. Thought somebody would be in here. Now we wait. Come on, you should see my bullets. Just look. They found it. I wanted to no scope. Okay. Which one has the least people? India. Okay. Now I think we should have no longer the annoyingest people in the world. Okay. I hope we have like people that are like okay, not too good, cause I'm bad. Wait, is this FFA free fall? Yeah, okay. Alien event was a scam. Okay then. Wow, I didn't even know you could go there. Same thing. We need new things to read. What? It's already over. Oh yeah, because I joined a different server. They're all FFA except for this. I've never done this. But I don't want to. No, bro, bird. Okay, fine, I'll try it. Okay. I don't. Okay, maybe I have played this. I don't know. No, I have not played it. Okay, whoa. I don't think I've played this. Oh, I played this. I played this last video, I think. I remember this water area. That's all I remember, though. Oh, I remember this sort of area, too. How am I gonna kill everyone? Do I even... 50 damage? What health was he? In the back, I hit somebody for 50. I only have 50 points. 51 now? What? He has 170, I think. This is supposed to do 103 sometimes. Sometimes. How did I not get that? How am I such a bot? He killed me through the car. So annoying. I missed. That means I'm dead. Now, we wait. Pistol. Save me. Knife. Oh. I want to vote kick, but I shouldn't. Somebody's here. I feel like this is like the main area. Or like there, maybe. What? That's dumb. That's even dumber. Okay, well. I didn't even see anyone. I just wanted to hit someone. But nobody was there. Somebody's gonna pop behind me. Wait. This is the main area? I should camp right here so nobody from behind can get me. I could just get here. Or... Bruh. Come back. You just killed my kill and then you leave? Oh, imagine. What was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, I know what to do. I'm a shotgun now. And I'm holding a person. Not the other way around. I'm holding a person. I'm a shotgun. How did that not kill him? I assisted him? Yeah, I can't do damage. Okay, I'm that far. I haven't done this in a while now. I've done it before. It's trash. But it's my only hope. It makes me 100 times slower. Actually, 1,000,000. Okay. Look at the damage it does. Oh, wait. I think I actually killed him. Okay, well, the match is basically over. I should reload. I shouldn't have reloaded. Where is he? The match is basically over. Oh my god. Okay, well, this is all for today. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down what you want me to do next. And bye, that's all for today.